Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to tell you how to pair your AMAZFIT UP earbuds with your MacBook. So actually this is a very easy issue. At first you need to click this Bluetooth button at the top of your screen and now click Bluetooth settings over here. Now once you're here, the only thing you need to do is to get in repairing mode. So take your earbuds to your hands, open the case, and find this button over here. This circular button. Hold this button for 2 seconds. And as I can see, you can't see anything on the screen, so let me do something. But here, as I can see, you need to see this pulsating white LED light. Now you can see it well, and these are the earbuds. And now, here in the network devices, you need to find your earbuds. Click Connect near them. Now you're paired. That's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.